MCC200 multi-parameter controller can be used with a variety of sensors and extension module at the same time. Extension module can be used to control the dosing pump, alarm light, external sensor cleaning brush, etc. This time we'll set turbidity alarm light and chlorine dosing pump as an example, to demonstrate the operation. The first step is to scan the sensor. Select Probe Set. Scan probe. Automatically scan the connected sensor. The screen displays CL, residual chlorine, and TU, turbidity, which means that scan successfully. Press menu key to return, then the screen displays values of residual chlorine, turbidity, and temperature. The second step to scan the extension module. To scan the extension module automatically, the screen displays the SN number of the extension module indicating successful scanning. Now set the turbidity alarm light. First set the extension module. DO1 corresponds to Relay 1. DO5 corresponds to Relay 5. This demonstration uses Relay 5 to control the turbidity alarm light. Select Probe Type TU. Select Channel TU. Select On Value, set to 20 mg per liter. Select Off Value, set to 19.5 mg per liter. Return to the main interface after the setup is completed. Observe the TU turbidity value. At this time, if the TU value reaches 20 mg per liter, the alarm light will be red automatically. If the TU value is below 19.5 mg per liter, the alarm light will turn off automatically. Use DO1, Relay 1, to demonstrate setting operation of residual chlorine dosing pump. Directly select Relay 1 to enter the setup. Select Probe Type. Probe Type, CL. Select Channel. CL. Select On Value, set to 0.5 ppm. Select Off Value, set to 1 ppm. Return to the main interface after the setting is completed. Since this demonstration operation does not have the field conditions of connecting the dosing pump, it is assumed that the alarm light 1 is the dosing pump. After completing the setting, when the residual chlorine value reaches 0.5 ppm, the dosing pump will be turned on for dosing. When the residual chlorine value reaches 1 ppm, the dosing pump will turn off the dosing. For more information about the functions of expansion modules, please contact us.